Salam. This is final look of my bed. During other days, my bed used to be so messy. However, today my bed look nice. Actually, my bathroom camera, okay, I mean the mirror is not that clean. Since I have lost so much weight now, this sweater looks so big on me. However, I'm tucking in and then wearing it since it's winter and I'm feeling cold. In order to keep myself warm, I'm wearing this. Okay, let me brush my teeth first, then I'll wash my face.
Oh yes, I'm done with washing my face. Okay. Dun, dun, dun.
To do any makeup, just I'm going to moisturize skin. All right. Wait. And the sunscreen is must. Okay, I'm going to apply sunscreen. Okay, I'm ready for. This is the hairstyle that I give. Okay, always go to hairstyle. Very simple. Okay, I'm having breakfast now. It's fish curry and radish pickle. Okay, I'm having breakfast now. So yummy. Since tomorrow is very special day, I'm planning to make roti. I need a batter with rice flour, atta, maida, and I will let it sit for 30 minutes. After that, I'm going to make roti. Keep watching. Ever since I started exercising, I started to eat healthy, and then now I'm about to prepare lunch and I'm adding butter. I added a little bit of butter and then oil. I'm going to steam broccoli and coriander leaves. Okay, my broccoli curry is ready. Okay, look, yummy. Let's take batter like this in your hand. Then you do like this. Okay. Nice shape. Since I'm feeling bored, I'll take you to my little garden tour. This is spring onion, and I have planted a garlic as well. See, this is. Starting, I never type it. Salam. जानो माथि चढ्दै चढ्दै समात्दै जानु न औरा छ के गर्दैन हैन हामी बेच्दै छिन् आज
Chess in the Palo.